Dang it, I can't believe I clicked the stop recording button. Well, anyhow, this has service, as you can see up here. Right there. Gonna prove it. Whatever, we'll do this whole thing again. Wonderful. Better. Kill this, open a brand new tab, look up wiki again. Internet works just fine, perfect. As you see, that was the first text I sent before. That's how you know this video isn't before the one I did. This is afterward. Alrighty then. And it's 2:46. Let me start the other video. And this is just now. Sending text. See, it says sent. See, the LG phone works. That bought from Verizon. But the Samsung Galaxy that I bought from the China manufacturer online does not work. It's using the same SIM card. It's a phone that's broken. Sent for repair, paid them $200, but no, they don't fix it still. And now they're acting like, no, you got to show us what happened, what is wrong. Well, I'm showing you right now. It doesn't work. Your phone doesn't work. Or even do the call. Phone call.
Hello, you have reached the customer service department of FCNA in Peachtree City, Georgia. Our customer service agents are not currently available. Our normal business hours are 9 o'clock a.m.
Exactly, phone works. Wonderful. LG phone works, but Samsung fails. I need my refund money. I'm unsatisfied. This phone does not work. It is broken. I don't know why. Brand new, fixed. It still doesn't work. The manufacturer don't know what they're doing. End of this video. Alright, time to turn off the recording.